It has probably occurred to you that maybe you want to tag someone on your Instagram story, but you don't want it to be completely visible. In this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can actually tag or mention someone on your story without it being seen. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to create a new story. So I swipe right. And here, maybe I want to choose this video. Now, there are multi ways for me to mention or tag someone on the story. One of them is just by tapping on my screen. And here it says mention. So I can just mention whoever I want. There's also another way if I tap on the sticker icon and tap on mention. Again, I can mention whoever I want, but as you can see, this is visible. So if you want to tag someone without it being visible, what you can do is by tapping on this @ sign icon here. And as you can see, it says people added here will be mentioned in your story, but their username won't be visible. So that's exactly what we want to do. And here, actually, you can mention as many people as you want if that's what you want to do. Or maybe just mention one of them. You can search for their username or whatever you like. Tap done and tap done one more time. As you can see, it says mentions updated and it doesn't show on your story anymore. But let's say I actually post the story once it is uploaded. Now it is uploaded and in my direct messages, as you can see, it sends her a notification that I mentioned her in my, in this case, close friend story. And if she wants to add it to her story, she can do it too. But as you can see, there is not a sign of her name on my story itself. Hope this helps and don't forget to subscribe for more.